friends, how are you? I hope all are good. So today let me start the chapter number 4 SST timeline and sources of history. यानी कि इतिहास को समय के अनुसार जो इतिहास के स्रोत हैं उनको समय रेखा यानी कि उनको सुरक्षित रखना. हाउ डू वी लर्न अबाउट द पास्ट, मतलब हम जो है पास्ट के बारे में क्या सीखते हैं. What are the sources of history? How is time measured in history? The beginnings of human history. The word history, जो शब्द है ये history यानी कि हमारा इतिहास, comes from the ancient Greek word histria. It means know this, है ना. So history tell us about the people, how they live, how they cover their body. जो हमारे अर्ली पीपल थे तो इतिहास उन्हीं के बारे में कि कैसे वो लोग रहते थे, कैसे वो अपने आप को अपनी बॉडी को कवर रखते थे, क्या वो कैसे सोचते थे, कैसे वो शहर गांव और राज्यों में वो लोग सेटल हुए, एंड हाउ दे अर्न देयर लाइवहुड. इट टेल्स देयर रिलीजियस सोशल एंड पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम. ठीक है, कैसे उन्होंने उनका बचपन था, कैसे उन्होंने धार्मिक समाज और राजनीति में सिस्टम बनाए. दीज चेंजेस हैव बीन स्प्रेड ओवर मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स. सो इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द हिस्ट्री. हिस्ट्री की हमें ज़रूरत क्यों है, क्या क्यों महत्वपूर्ण है ये हमारे लिए. द स्टडी ऑफ द हिस्ट्री इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर लाइफ बिकॉज इट गिव्स अस द फॉलोइंग नॉलेज. सो हिस्ट्री इज ए बास्केट ऑफ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज एंड विजडम ऑफ द पास्ट. ये क्या है, एक नॉलेज और जो जानकारी है उसकी एक टोकरी, मतलब हमारे लिए एक बास्केट, ए लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज, ज्ञान की का पिटारा है. हिस्ट्री टेल्स द सोशल, रिलीजियस, पॉलिटिकल एंड इकोनॉमिकल लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल. तो हिस्ट्री हमें बताती है जो हमारे पुराने लोग थे उनकी सामाजिक, धार्मिक और राजनीतिक जो और आर्थिक जो जीवन था वो कैसा था. इट टेल्स अबाउट द लैंग्वेजेस, एजुकेशन सिस्टम एंड रूलिंग सिस्टम ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है ना, भाषा, जो शिक्षा व्यवस्था है, जो शासन व्यवस्था है वो और सरकार कैसी थी. इट टेल्स अबाउट द डिस्कवरी ऑफ फायर, है ना, आग की खोज कैसे हुई, मेटल, एग्रीकल्चर एटसेट्रा, इन्वेंशन सच एज व्हील, पॉटरी एटसेट्रा. इट टेल्स अबाउट द डिवीजन ऑफ द सोसाइटी, डाइवर्सिटीज एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशंस दैट हैव बीन प्रिवेलिंग इन द सोसाइटी. की कैसे जो है जो सोसाइटीज हैं उन कैसे विभाजन हुआ, कैसे डिस्क्रिमिनेशन शुरू हुआ. इट टेल्स अबाउट द सिस्टम्स ऑफ वॉर्स एंड वॉरियर्स. ठीक है, जो सिस्टम युद्ध और योद्धाओं का जो सिस्टम है वो क्या क्या है इस बारे में ये हमें बताती है. इट टेल्स अबाउट द सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स, नोबल पीपल एंड न्यूमरस रिफॉर्म मूवमेंट्स. इट हेल्प अस टू लर्न अबाउट द कल्चर ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ अदर countries. Okay, so how do we learn about the past? Many people study the history of the earth. Some of them are trained to uncover the secrets that beneath to the earth's surface and help us learn about its past and also our past. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं जियोलॉजिस्टिक. Study the physical features of the earth like the soil, stones, hills, mountains, rivers, sea, oceans and other such as parts of the earth. जो प्रकृति है ना हमारी, उसकी जो स्टडी है, उसका जो पठन है उसको बोलते हैं, जिसने इनका जो गहन अध्ययन किया उसको जियोलॉजिस्ट बोलते हैं. ठीक है, okay. Next one is paleontologist. Study the remains of plants, animals and humans from millions of years ago in the form of fossils, impressions of footprints or parts of plants or animals that are found preserved within layers of soil or rocks. Anthropologists study human societies and cultures from the oldest time to the present. ठीक है, जो ह्यूमन सोसाइटीज थी, जो हमारी संस्कृति थी बहुत पुराने समय की, उसको हम बोलते हैं एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट स्टडी द पास्ट बाय डिगिंग अप रिमेन्स दैट पीपल, प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स लेफ्ट बिहाइंड सच एज टूल, पॉट्स, बीड्स, फिगरेंस, toys, bones and teeth of animals and humans, but grains, parts of houses or bricks among others. How is time measured in history? जो इतिहास में जो है टाइम का मापने का वो क्या था, मेजर्ड. द हिस्ट्रियंस हैव डिवाइडेड दिस पीरियड इनटू टू पीरियड सच एज प्री हिस्ट्री. ठीक है, इसको ना टू पीरियड्स में डिवाइड कर दिया गया है, प्री हिस्ट्री एंड हिस्ट्री. Prehistory refers to this period when man did not know how to read and write. Prehistory वो है जिसमें लोग जो है लिखना और पढ़ना नहीं जानते थे. The period when man knew how to read and write is called history. और जब लोग वो समय जब लोग पढ़ना लिखना समझना जान गए थे तो उसको हिस्ट्री बोला जाता है. For this period written records are available such as writing on paintings. तो उस टाइम पे जो है कुछ रिकॉर्ड सेफ हैं किस रूप में, पेंटिंग्स, क्ले प्लेट्स के रूप में, कॉपर प्लेट्स के रूप में, रॉक्स एंड पिलर्स के रूप में. ठीक है. टाइम इन हिस्ट्री शोन बाय टू टर्म्स BC एंड AD, है ना. BC रेफर्स बिफोर द बर्थ ऑफ जीसस क्रिस्ट. ये BC जो टाइम होता है बिफोर द बर्थ ऑफ जीसस क्रिस्ट, while AD refers anno domini meaning in the years of our Lord. BC period is counted backwards like 100 BC comes before 19 BC, while AD is counting forwards like AD 19 comes before 100. So a timeline is a convention tool to mark such events as it shows a sequence of dates and events covering any particular period. It runs from the beginning of humanity to the present with a few important landmarks. A timeline also helps in understanding the order in which historical events take place. For example, even without looking at dates, you can now see that the birth of Buddha occurs before that of Jesus. ठीक है. Along with the year and the decade, a period of 10 years, we often use the terms to understand longer durations of time. Two of these are quite commonly used when learning about history. One is century, second is millennium. So what is century? It is any period of 100 years in history. Specific centuries are counted every 100 years starting from the year 1 CE. For instance, we are currently in the 21st century CE, which runs from 2001 to 2100. So centuries BCE are calculated beginning from the year 1 BCE and keep going back in time. For example, the 3rd century BCE would include the years 300 BCE to 201 BCE. Number 2, millennium. It is any period of 1000 years in history. Specific centuries are counted every 1000 years from the year 1 CE. For instance, we are currently in the 3rd millennium CE, which began in 2001 CE and will go up to 3000 CE. As with centuries, millenniums BCE are also calculated beginning from 1 BCE and go backward. So the first millennium BCE would include the years 1 BCE to 1000 BCE. So geographical features, भूगोलिक जो वो है, geographical features have played an important role in history of India. Okay, इसका important role है इसमें. The Himalayas in the north of India has been standing for the millions of years ago between India and Central Asia, a great wall. अब जो हिमालय है, ठीक है, वो जो नॉर्थ इंडिया में खड़ा है मिलियन ऑफ ईयर्स साल से पहले भी, वो कहाँ है? भारत और सेंट्रल एशिया की एक ग्रेट दीवार है, महान. However, the passes in these mountains acted as the routes of contact since ancient times. People use these mountain passes for traveling. ठीक है ना, जो यात्रा करने के लिए इनको क्रॉस करते थे. The plains of the rivers are also main sources because the people mostly lived on the riverside because they got sufficient water for their drinking and irrigating their crops. Some rivers were perennial such as the Ganga, the Indus, etc. While some rivers were non-perennial, therefore people lived on perennial riverside. The archaeological evidences verify that first people settled by the river valleys. So, sources of prehistory. तो जो prehistory है उसके क्या क्या स्रोत हैं, कैसे पता चलता है प्री हिस्ट्री के बारे में? वी हैव मैनी सोर्सेज टू नो अबाउट द हिस्ट्री. दीज आर गिवन बिलो. नंबर 1, आर्कियोलॉजिकल सोर्सेज. These sources are buildings, stone tools, skeletons and fragments of bones, pottery, jewelry, etc. These are found buried under the earth. ठीक है ना. जो प्री हिस्ट्री जो बहुत पुरातत्व काल, पूरा प्राचीन काल है, वो किसके थ्रू पता चलता है हमें? बिल्डिंग्स, स्टोन टूल्स जो पत्थर के टूल होते थे, स्केलेटन, बोन्स, पोएट्री, ज्वेलरी जो हमें कहाँ मिली? उसके धरती के अंदर. These evidences show the time period of the human progress through archaeology. We have been able to learn about the civilization of Indus Valley people and other river valley civilization. Next one is tools and weapons. जो टूल्स और हथियार उन्होंने बनाए थे, हथियार उनसे. अर्ली मैन यूज टूल्स एंड वेपन्स फॉर हिज प्रोटेक्शन एंड हंटिंग. अपने प्रोटेक्शन के लिए और शिकार करने के लिए बनाते थे. दीज टूल्स वर मेड फ्रॉम हार्ड स्टोन एंड द फ्लिंट ग्रे स्टोन. दीज टूल्स आर वेरी पॉजिटिव टू नो अबाउट द लाइफ ऑफ अर्ली मैन. नंबर 3, मेगालिथ्स. दीज स्टोन्स आर यूज इन साइज, है ना, ये बड़े होते थे साइज में. They tell us the religious life of man. In India, they have been found all over Deccan. Shelters. Early man lived in forest. जो early man था वो आदि मानव कहाँ रहते थे? कहाँ रहते थे वो? जंगल में. ठीक है? He used bones of large animals. वो जानवरों की बड़ी बड़ी हड्डियों का यूज करते थे. Wood branches of trees to make his shelters. These bones and skeletons help us to know about vegetation, climate and temperature etc. of the region. Number 5, pottery, painting and jewelry. These items reference the lifestyle and customs of people. Early man made jewelry of bones and later of metals. He also made rough paintings on the walls of caves with burnt bones and wood, colored soil with water or animal fat. What are the sources of history? हिस्ट्री के स्रोत मतलब क्या क्या स्रोत हैं कि किस किस स्रोत से ये सेफ है हमारे पास. द सोर्सेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री वाज ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडिया आर ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स. दे आर फॉलोइंग. सबसे पहले आता है रिटन रिकॉर्ड, जो लिखा हुआ है. द रिलीजियस बुक्स लाइक द वेदास, द पुराणास एंड द सेकुलर लिटरेचर comprise books, biography, accounts of foreign travelers, books on law and works on drama, poetry, prose etc. give information about history. The 4 Vedas, especially the Rig Veda, Satpada Brahmanas, the Arinkas, the Upanishads are very important sources. The 2 epics, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata, tell the social and religious life of people. The literature of Jainism and Buddhism. जैन और बुद्ध जो है बौद्धिक लोग, उनका लिटरेचर जो है उनका साहित्य. The early literature of Jainism was written in Prakrit and the early literature of Buddhism was written in Pali languages. ठीक है? The Jainism literature refers to the reconstruct the political history of Eastern Uttar Pradesh and Bihar in the age of 24 Tirthankar Mahavir Swami, while Buddhist literature refers us to the king who ruled over the Magad. Number 2, historical and biographical accounts. Excellent literature on philosophy, story, writing, poetry has come down to us through the ages. यानी कि कल्हाना wrote the Raj Tarangini. It is a fair account of the royal dynasty of Kashmir. Ban Bhatt, Harshcharitam, Vikram Ankadev Charita of Bilhana are the biography of Harshvardhan and Chalukya king Vikramaditya respectively. Many other plays of Bhasha, Kalidas and Vishakha Dutt story collection like the Panchtantra Jatak tales Hitopdesha also tell us the lives of the people. Manu Smriti written by Manu is law giver of the Hindu law. ठीक है, जो हिंदू का लॉ है वो मनुस्मृति के अकॉर्डिंग है. Chronicles, secular literature. The Arthashastra of Kautilya, the Indica of Megasthenes, the accounts of Yuan Tisan, Fahian, etc. are the example of secular literature. ठीक है, this literature informs us a lot of knowledge about the period when it was written. Number 2, coins, सिक्के. सिक्कों के थ्रू भी हमारे इतिहास का हमें पता चलता है क्योंकि उस सिक्कों पे बहुत सारी चीजें लिखी हुई थी. Coins inform us about the social and political and economical life of the ancient people. The coins carried the names of the kings and dates. जो है जो शासक होता था ना, यहाँ पे जो भी शासक होता था उसका नेम, फोटो और उसका ईयर उस पे जरूर वो लिखवाता था. ठीक है. These coins provide us the personal character and qualities of the rulers, especially those of the Indo-Greek and Kushanas the coins of Samudragupta to show his bravery and strength. Later on, the coins were molded in precious metal such as gold, silver, or copper. Number 3, inscriptions. Written record engraved on cave walls, pillars, places, temples, and forts are inscriptions. है ना, तो उनके जो रिकॉर्ड होते थे इनके बारे में लिखा जाता था पिलर्स पे, जो महल होते थे उनकी दीवारों पे, जो किले होते थे उनकी दीवारों पे. ठीक है. अब these inscriptions provide a sufficient information of the kings. For example, the history of Mayuran period can be known largely through the Ashoka pillar. जो मयूरों का जो वो है ना इतिहास, किस पे लिखा हुआ है? वो अशोका के खंभों पे. They also give us information about the social, religious and political life of people. Places, stupas, forts, temples are some categories of monuments which make the past come alive. इन चीजों से क्या हो जाता है, जो पास्ट है वो एकदम हमारे सामने जीवित हो उठता है. The beginnings of human history. ठीक है ना, ह्यूमन आदमियों का, इंसानों का जो इतिहास है. It's believed that the human appeared about 5 lakh years ago on the earth. This age of the human period is called prehistoric age or the stone age. Okay, in the beginning the man lived like the animals. शुरुआत में क्या करता था इंसान, जो है जानवरों की तरह जीवन व्यतीत करता था. Okay, as the animals cannot use their legs for standing, so the man could not also use their hands and legs. जैसे जानवर होता है ना, वो पैरों का इस्तेमाल केवल चलने के लिए करता है, हाथ तो वैसे इस्तेमाल करता ही नहीं. ऐसे ही इंसान था. ठीक है. He could only walk through his legs and hand. As the animal moved, he lived like the apes. Okay, he was a food gatherer. He ate grass, roots, leaves, insects, worms. ठीक है. वो क्या क्या खाता था? घास, फूस, पेड़, पत्तियां, कीड़े, ये सब खाता था. He slept on trees. वो पेड़ों पर सोता था. Caves and rocks at night. He feared from the wild animals and the natural objects such as lightning, thundering, etc. तो मनुष्य वो भी जो है जानवरों की तरह ही डरता था इन चीजों से. With the passage of time, gradually man learned to stand erect on his feet. He began to use his hands. He began to pick up the stones and throw on the animals. Okay, like this. ऐसा था पहले, फिर ऐसा हुआ, फिर ऐसा. ठीक है. अब for his protection, day by day he learned to make tools and weapons. ठीक है ना, अपना प्रोटेक्शन के लिए वो दिन पे दिन क्या करने लगा, वे हथियार और पत्थर जो है बनाने लगा. Since the stone was used by man, this period is known as the Stone Age. The Stone Age has been divided into 4 time period. ठीक है. 4 समय बताता है वो कौन कौन सा? Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, Neolithic age and Chalcolithic age. Paleolithic age, Lithic age. The word Paleolithic is a Greek word. It is made up of 2 words. Paleus meaning old and lithos means stone. This age of the history is known by the different names such as primitive age, the prehistoric age or the old stone age. We have no written record about this period, क्योंकि उस समय पे तो कोई लिखना ही नहीं जानता था, है ना. तो इसका कोई रिटन में, कोई लिखित में कोई वो नहीं है इतिहास. This period lasted from 5 lakh BC to 10,000 BC. In this age, man began to use stone tools as the weapons to defend himself. It can be believed that his life became little better than that of the wild animals. Man the food gatherer. Early man in the old stone age was the food gatherer. यानी कि वो भोजन की खोज में इधर उधर घूमता था. He wandered from place to place in search of food. He eat whatever he found around him, such as the grass, roots, leaves, fruits, small insects and worms, etc. He ate them in raw form. कच्ची फॉर्म में खाता था वो इन्हें, क्योंकि उसको आग जलाने का नहीं पता था. ओके. He did not know how to cook and even not to know how to make fire for this purpose. कि इसको पकाने के लिए आग की भी जरूरत होती है. In the forest he also saw the animal. First he feared from them, but with the passage of time he learned to use stone to hunt them and ate them raw. ठीक है ना. तो वो क्या समझ आने लगा उसको, जानवरों, जो जंगली जानवर होते थे, कि उनको मारना है पत्थर से या डंडे से, और उसको फिर वो मार के कच्चा खा जाते थे। When the supply of food in the one place exhausted, he moved on farther in search of more food. Now next topic is shelter and clothes. रहने की जगह और कपड़े। Ali man had the long hair on his body, ठीक है ना, उनके लंबे लंबे बाल होते थे। His hair protected him from heat and cold, तो उनके जो बाल है ना उन्हें ठंड और उससे बचाते थे, गर्मी से। He also used the leaves, bark of trees to cover his body. He stayed in the caves at night, and sometimes he stayed behind the thick tree leaves for shelter against the wild animal and rough weather. During the dry season, early man lived beside the river, lakes, streams, etc. Early man lived in ग्रोव्स। तो क्या होता था ना, वो अपने तन को ढकने के लिए कभी कभी पत्तियों का इस्तेमाल कर लेते थे, ठीक है, और वो मतलब उसकी शेल्टर के लिए वो जो है मोटे जो पेड़ होते थे उनके पीछे भी छिप जाते थे, गुफाओं में भी रहते थे, ओके। और जो वैसा मौसम होता था ना, ड्राई रफ वेदर जो होता था, उसमें वो नदियों, झीलों के और तालाबों के किनारे अपना जीवन व्यतीत कर लेते, ठीक है ना। और ये लोग समूह में रहते थे। Tools and weapons. The tools of early men were crude and unpolished and were mostly made out of hard rock called quartzite. These tools were also made of wood, bones of the animals. The stone tools were only the pieces of broken pebbles. These pieces had sharp edges. These tools were used for chopping and hunting the animals, है ना, उनको शिकार करने के लिए और काटने के लिए। द लार्जेस्ट पीसेस ऑफ द टूल्स वर शेप्ड इनटू स्क्रैपर्स एंड एक्स हेड्स, कुल्हाड़ी, हथौड़ा, इस तरह से। इन द बिगिनिंग द एक्स हेड्स वर यूज्ड विदाउट ए हैंडल बट लेटर ऑन वुडन स्टिक और रफ। तो क्या होता था, जो कुल्हाड़ी होती थी ना वो बिना हैंडल की होती थी, फिर धीरे धीरे उसका आविष्कार होने लगा। वर टाइड टू दिस द स्मॉलर पीस ऑफ स्टोन वर यूज्ड एज नाइव्स, spears and sickles. They used also these tools in removing animal skin and digging. इस तरह से चाकू का वो करते थे ये काम, okay. Some specimens of these tools and weapons have been found in the valley on specimens of the river Son, now in Pakistan, Son नदी के किनारे, on the banks of the Narmada, Godavari, and in the places of South तुंगभद्रा रिवर। डिस्कवरी ऑफ फायर, आग की खोज कैसे हुई? अब अर्ली मैन ने आग की खोज कैसे की थी? इट इज नॉट नोन दैट हाउ द अर्ली मैन हाउ लर्न टू मेक फायर। परहैप्स वन डे समबडी सेट रबिंग टू पीसेस ऑफ फ्लिंट स्टोन टुगेदर एंड देयर वाज अ स्पार्क, है ना। एक बार क्या कर रहा था, एक व्यक्ति जो है पत्थरों को आपस में रगड़ रहा था, और जो वो रगड़ता रहा था, रगड़ते रगड़ते उसमें स्पार्क हुआ, चमक आई एकदम से। द स्पार्क लाइट सम ड्राई लीव्स एंड लीव्स बर्स्ट इनटू फ्लेम्स। तो वो जो स्पार्क उसमें निकला था उसने सूखी हुई पत्तियों को जला दिया, है ना, और एक फ्लेम आंच उठने लगी। द फ्लेम्स बर्न ड्राई ग्रास फायर व्हिच गिव दीज अर्ली मैन लाइट एंड हीट, आल्सो एनेबल देम टू डिफेंड देमसेल्व्स अगेंस्ट विल्ड एनिमल्स एट नाइट। एनीहाउ ही लर्न टू रोस्ट हिज food which became tastier, more easily digestible and more nourishing. He burned the fire in front of his cave to protect himself from the wild animals, ठीक है ना। अब क्या हुआ, जब आग जलानी आ गई उनको तो खाना पकाना आ गया, उसमें टेस्ट आना शुरू हो गया। अपनी गुफाओं के बाहर भी वो आग जला के रखते थे जिससे कि जानवर ना आ जाए, ठीक है। फायर चेंज हिज लाइफ एंड मेड इट मोर कंफर्टेबल। द डिस्कवरी ऑफ फायर वाज द बून टू द अर्ली मैन, ठीक है ना। अब क्या हुआ, आग के होने से उनकी लाइफ जो है इजी होती चली गई, कंफर्टेबल बनती चली गई। ड्राइंग एंड पेंटिंग्स। द अर्ली मैन टायर्ड मच, दे टुक रेस्ट इन द केव्स, ठीक है ना, जब वो उसमें रेस्ट करते थे ना गुफाओं में, ओके, एंड मेड रफ स्केचेस ऑफ एनिमल्स व्हिच दे हंटेड। दे मेड दीज पिक्चर्स ऑन द वॉल्स एंड सीलिंग ऑफ द केव्स एंड इवन ऑन द हैंडल्स ऑफ देयर टूल्स, ठीक है ना। जब वो थक जाते थे, आराम करते थे, वो क्या करते थे, मिट्टी पे, दीवारों से क्या बनाते थे, पेंटिंग्स बनाते थे, है ना, और पत्थरों पर भी करते थे। सच केव साइट्स इन इंडिया हैव बीन फाउंड इन सम पार्ट्स ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, तमिलनाडु, मध्य प्रदेश। These caves have been found at Altamira in Spain and France. Religious beliefs. Early men were afraid of natural forces such as lightning, raining, thundering, etc. They could not understand the working of the sun. ठीक है, तो ये जो है लोग, अर्ली मैन, आदि मानव जो है, ये डरते थे किससे? जब बिजली चमकती थी, आंधी आती थी, तूफान आते थे, है ना, बारिश होती थी, तो इनको पता नहीं था ये क्या चीज है, तो ये इन चीजों से डरते थे, है ना, और इनको नहीं पता था कि सूरज कैसे अपना वर्क करता है। द मून एंड द स्टार्स दे माइट हैव वर्शिप देम, और क्या हुआ, ये इनकी पूजा करने लगे। दे वर्शिप देयर एंसेस्टर्स आफ्टर देयर डेथ, दे बुरीड their dead along with his tools and some edibles. They believe that the dead person might need things in his next journey to the next world. अब ये क्या करते थे, जो व्यक्ति मर जाता था ना, उसको गड्ढा खोद के उसको उसमें दबा देते थे, और उसके साथ साथ उसके हथियार भी उसमें दबा देते थे कि जब ये नेक्स्ट जर्नी पे जाएगा ना, उसको उन हथियारों की जरूरत पड़ेगी। ओके, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द डेक्कन। द डेक्कन वाज नोन एज द दक्षिण पथ। The region consisted of the south part of the Vindhya mountains and the river Narmada in India. Archaeologists believe that the people of the Deccan were the Dravidians, है ना? It is believed that they had come through the northwestern passes and settled in the northern plains from other countries. When the Aryans arrived and occupied the whole of North India, they advanced to the south of India and settled here. Harappan culture resembles to the Dravidians because the figurines and statues indicate the similarity between both the Harappans and Dravidians. It is mentioned in Rig Veda also that the conflicts had been taken place between the Aryans and the earlier people. These earlier people were the Dravidians who fought with Aryans. Dravidians were also more prosperous than the Aryans. But after the arrival of the Aryans, they became more advanced in rich lifestyle. ठीक है, इनका लाइफस्टाइल बिल्कुल चेंज हो गया था। Their prosperity and advancement were reflected in the megalithic burials which have been all over the Deccan. Kalpa, Takalghat, Naikund, etc. in Maharashtra, Maski Halor, Hardanhalli, Brahmagiri were the famous megalithic cities in South India. Archaeologists have found the tools and weapons made up of bones, stones, and wood in the excavations. They have also found some animal bones, grains, plants, etc. Mesolithic age. The Mesolithic age lasted 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. It's known as the Middle Stone. Okay, now age. During this period, man improved his tools and weapons. Word microliths is made up of two words such as micro means small and lith means stone. These tools called microliths were smaller, sharper and more attractive than the Paleolithic tools. These tools were made using bones, horns along with stone. They could make a large variety of weapons such as bows and arrows, fishing hooks, etc. The bow and arrow made it easy to hunt fast moving animals. Hooks and baits improved fishing. Many Mesolithic sites have been found in Adamgarh in Madhya Pradesh, Bagora in Rajasthan, South Uttar Pradesh and Central and Eastern Asia and in Deccan. It is believed that the man continued to be food gatherer. It may be that at the end of Mesolithic age man learned about cultivation or domestication of animals. The first farmer, सबसे पहला जो किसान था. Neolithic age. This age is also known as the New Stone Age. It lasted from 8,000 BC. It also 4,000 BC. The word Neolithic has been come from the Greek language. It is made up of two words such as neo means new and lithos means stone. This age was the age of developments in the social life of people. Neolithic period is known for three important developments such as the discovery of agriculture, invention of wheel and the making of pottery. A large number of tools of Neolithic age have been found from the Neolithic sites at Mehergarh in Pakistan, Musky in Karnataka, Piklihal in Karnataka, Burzum and Gufkral in Jammu and Kashmir, Chirand in Bihar and sites in Tamil Nadu and in Andhra Pradesh. These sites probably belong to the period from about 2500 to 1000 BC. Beginning of settled life. अब इनकी settled life मतलब इन्होंने लाइफ कैसे सेटल की, कैसे शुरुआत हुई. As time passed, the man of the old stone age slowly learned to improve their lot. Their looms were no better made and they begin to cover their body with cloth. ठीक है, क्या हुआ, धीरे धीरे उनके टूल्स चेंज होने लगे, फिर वो अपनी बॉडी को जो है कपड़े से कवर करने लगे. They begin to live a settled life instead of wandering. They begin to build their house in small huts of bamboo and straw to live in. क्या हुआ, फिर जो है लकड़ियों से और सूखे तिनकों से वो अपने जो है झोपड़ियां बनाने लगे. They built their huts on the river banks where the water was sufficient to their daily use and for irrigation. ठीक है, अब उन्होंने क्या किया, नदियों के पास अपने घर बनाने शुरू कर दिए ताकि उनकी जो पानी की जरूरतें हैं वो पूरी हो सके. They domesticated animals such as dog, goat, sheep, cattle, horse and the donkey. अब क्या करने लगे, पशुपालन, है ना, कुत्ता, बकरी, भेड़, ओके, जो है ड्यूरिंग एंड द डंकी, गधे और बाकी जो है घोड़े, ये सब इनका पशुपालन करने लगे. These animals provided them milk, flesh and wool for using during winters. क्या, दूध, उनका फ्लैश, जैसे गाय का गोबर बहुत यूजफुल होता है ना. The horse and the donkeys were used for loading luggage. जो घोड़े और गधे थे उनको सामान लादने के लिए यूज करने लगे. Man became a farmer. Agriculture was the biggest discovery of the early man. It changed his life and made it easier and comfortable. As the discovery of fire was made by chance, so the discovery of agriculture was made by chance. One day some grains lying near his cave might have sprouted. He must have kept his eye on these sprouts. These grew into sheaves and gave him a lot of grains. है ना, कुछ दाने गिर गए और जब उन्होंने गुफा के बाहर उनको बढ़ते हुए देखा तो उनकी आंखें जो है वो भरोसा नहीं हुआ. He must have thought, why not sow these grains too? Thus he became a farmer or a food producer. Soon he had around him plants of wheat and barley growing from seeds. Note the east and northwest. Instead of finding the Neolithic age settlements in many parts of the Indian subcontinent, a large number of the settlements have been founded in the northwest and northeast of India. Neolithic age roughly extends from 10,000 to 4,000 BC. It came into existence first of all the northeastern part of the Indo-Pakistan region, mainly Quetta Valley and the valleys of Loralai and Zob rivers. The remains of this period have been found in the archaeological sites of Rana, Gundai, Gumla, Anjira, Kailbul, Mohammad, etc. Mehergarh is the earliest known farming and pastoral settlement. It suggests the Neolithic settlements for 7,000 BC to 5,000 BC. Some of the Neolithic settlements of around 10,000 BC have been found in some parts of Southeast India. In addition to a large number of Neolithic sites have been found to the east of Indus Valley, the Ganga Valley, Assam and northeast region. The main occupation of Neolithic people was the agriculture. है ना, तो उस समय वो भी कह सकता था एग्रीकल्चर, खेती ही एकमात्र उपाय था. द ग्रे व्हीट, बार्ले, ग्राम, राइस एटसेट्रा domesticated the cattle such as goat, sheep, horse, donkey, cow for the different purpose. They were fond of wearing ornaments made from seashell, polished copper, etc. They made many types of earthen pots. These evidences of archaeology prove that the practice of cultivation may have started in 7,000 BC. Okay, the Neolithic people used the rectangular axis with curved cutting edge in northwest, whereas polished stone axes were rectangular but were used in northeastern parts. Neolithic tools and implements have been found from Naga Hills, Garo Hills and Kochar Hills. Gradually, the clusters changes into villages and family units came into existence. He began to build his house with mud near his fields. Many more occupations also came into existence as the division of labor started. Man looked after the cattle and take care of agriculture, hunting and making weapons, while women lived in house and looked after the children. Invention of wheel, पहिए का आविष्कार. It is possible that a log or a stone rolling down was sparked of this idea. Looking the occurrence of the log or stone, he made a wheeled car, है ना, पहियों वाली गाड़ी. It helped him to move heavy loads. So far, these loads were carried on one's shoulders or on the backs of pack animals. The wheeled cart made travel easier and more कंफर्टेबल, है ना। क्या हुआ, जो सामान इधर से उधर ढोने की वो थी ना प्रॉब्लम, वो उनकी सॉल्व हो गई थी। मेकिंग ऑफ पॉटरी, है ना, मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाना। द इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील वाज द ग्रेट अचीवमेंट ऑफ द अर्ली मैन, है ना। जो पहिया था उसका आविष्कार उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट था। क्यों? इट चेंज्ड हिज लाइफ। He made a potter wheel. Early man began to make clay pots and they baked it on fire. Later on, he began to polish and color the pots. Now, next topic is Chalcolithic age. This age is known as also the age of metals or the copper stone age. It lasted from 4000 BC to 2000 BC. This time was very short but was extremely important for the development of early man. Okay, this age was a transition period for man because man reached to the age of metals. For the age of stone, use of metals made his life more easier and comfortable. The discovery of metals, ठीक है, मेटल की खोज। First man discovered copper and made his tools of this metal which were very strong and stable. The period of 4000 BC to 2000 BC is known as the Copper Age. Later on, other metals such as tin, zinc were also discovered. He had felt the copper was a soft metal. He mixed copper with tin and zinc and made various types of alloys. This alloy was very harder than copper and it is known as the bronze. So, this period is known as the Bronze Age. Okay, man used bronze to make his tools and weapons and various kinds of utensils. Copper and bronze axes knives have been found at Brahmagiri near Mysore, Navadatuli on the bank of the Narmada, at several places in the Upper Ganga basin in India. In South India, copper, bronze and iron objects have been found. Now let's topic is village life. उनका जो है village life कैसी थी? In this period, people began to build their houses with mud and straw huts. A village contained a number of thatched huts huddled close together. It was generally built on high ground to keep it safe from floods. ठीक है ना, जिससे बाढ़ से वो सुरक्षित रह सकें, तो थोड़े ऊंचे एरिया में बनते थे। द फील्ड्स ले आउटसाइड द फेंस, पीपल ग्रो व्हीट, बार्ले, राइस, मेज एटसेट्रा। दे डोमेस्टिकेटेड द एनिमल्स सच एज काउ, गोट, शीप, डॉग, हॉर्स, डोंकी फॉर प्रोटेक्शन देमसेल्व्स from the wild animals. They moved around in groups. The group consisted of men, women, children and domesticated animals. Now the men became food producer from food gatherer, है ना। He also began to produce more food and started the barter system with other groups, है ना। अब उन्होंने क्या किया हुआ, खाना जो है उसको उपजाऊ करना शुरू कर दिया और फिर बार्टर सिस्टम शुरू कर दिया कि तुम मुझे ये दे दो, मैं तुम्हें, तुम मुझे ये दे दो, मैं तुम्हें ये दे दूंगा। He had a sufficient time to reward their activities. He began to make his ornaments of shell and bone. Necklace, bracelet, bangles, rings, earrings were the main of ornaments of this period. 21 copper bangles have been found in a pot at कयाथा, है ना। 21 जो है कॉपर की चूड़ियां मिली थी एक बर्तन में, कहाँ पे, कयाथा में। Men and women use clothes placed to the skin of animals, bark of trees and leaves. Their clothes were made of cotton. Remains of village have been found all over India, especially in the river valleys and the plains because these areas were very suitable to grow crops for the people. Now let's talk about the food. खाने के बारे में क्या क्या उनका खाना होता था। The Chalcolithic man began to grow crops such as wheat, barley, gram, rice, etc. So they like to eat food. Okay, made from these cereals. Meat, eggs, milk, fruits were the extra food. The bones of marine fish, spices have also found at Inamgaon. Okay, changes in society, new occupations. Man lived a settled life, है ना, एक settled life उनकी शुरू हो गई. Division of labor came into existence. Some people begin to work in fields. कुछ लोग खेतों में काम करते थे, some tools बनाते थे, कुछ हथियार बनाते थे और कुछ ornament बनाते थे. Okay, some made earthen pots while some spent their time weaving basket, etc. Women colored the clay pots by hand. Later these were baked a kiln. They decorated these pots with various types of designs. ठीक है, बार्टर सिस्टम, ये बार्टर सिस्टम क्या था? Forgetting other items, they exchanged the requirements from each other as Mohan wanted clothes while Sohan needed weapons. है ना, उसको कपड़े खरीदने और उसको उसकी जरूरत है. Mohan gave to Sohan weapons as he needed and its exchange Sohan returned clothes to Mohan as his requirement. कि जैसे मोहन के पास हथियार है और सोहन के पास कपड़े हैं. अब मोहन को कपड़ों की जरूरत है, सोहन को हथियार की, तो वो क्या करेंगे, एक्सचेंज कर लेंगे. तो ये होता है बार्टर सिस्टम. दिस सिस्टम ऑफ एक्सचेंज इज कॉल्ड बार्टर सिस्टम. ऑल दीज थिंग्स चेंज्ड hands, became the considerate, so they felt their safety and security from the outer enemies. For this purpose, they began to make laws and orders and nominated a leader among themselves. This leader was the strongest and the bravest man. इनकी रिलीजियस लाइफ कैसी थी? The early man was attracted by the natural object. है ना, वो नेचुरल जो ऑब्जेक्ट होते थे उनसे अट्रैक्टेड, क्योंकि कुछ ऐसा था ही नहीं जैसे सन, मून, स्टार्स एटसेट्रा. बट ही कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड देयर रियलिटी. लेकिन उनको जो है ना, इनकी वास्तविकता नहीं पता थी ये क्या है. ही फियर फ्रॉम द रेन, बारिश से डरते थे, आंधी से डरते थे, लाइटनिंग, बिजली कड़कती है उससे, जो अर्थक्वेक आता था उससे, गर्म से, सर्दी से. ही saw the sunrise bringing light and warmth. उन्होंने देखा कि जब सूरज उगता है तो क्या वो रोशनी और गर्माई लाता है. He saw the moon and the groups of the star making the sky so beautiful at the night. उन्होंने देखा जो चांद है और जो स्टार्स हैं वो आकाश को सुंदर बनाते हैं. The lightning sometimes struck the trees and charred it. All this made him think, what are the sun, the moon, the stars and the wind? What are the thunder and the lightning? As a result, they began to worship. अब क्या किया, उन्होंने इन चीजों की पूजा करनी शुरू कर दी. ठीक है, them as the gods and goddess. ठीक है ना, भगवान और देवी के रूप में. They began to worship trees and animals also. वो पेड़ों की और जानवरों की भी पूजा करने लगे. They believed that the trees and the animals were their protector. है ना, कि पेड़ और जानवर जो हैं हमारे प्रोटेक्टर हैं. When any member of the society died, जब कोई सदस्य मर जाता था ना इनकी सोसाइटी का, they buried him along with those items which were used in his life. तो वो जो चीजें यूज करता था ना अपने जीवन में, तो वो क्या करते थे, वो गड्ढे में उसको दबाते थे ना, उसके साथ साथ उन चीजों को भी वहीं पे रख देते थे. They believed that these items would be helped in the journey of his next life. So all necessities of travel and survival such as pottery, weapons, etc. ठीक है, तो उनको लगता था कि जब ये अपने नई जर्नी पे जाएगा उन्हें इन चीजों की जरूरत पड़ेगी. जितनी भी, चाहे वो पॉटरी है, कपड़े हैं, हथियार है, तो वो उन्हें रख देते थे. वह प्लेस इनसाइड द डेड मैन्स ग्रेव. मैनी सच ग्रेव्स हैव बीन फाउंड फ्रॉम साइट्स ऑल ओवर द कंट्री. दे वर्शिप द डेड मैन्स ग्रेव. ठीक है, but by the end of the Chalcolithic period, man discovered and invented many things as he needed, but he could not discover any script of any proper language. So he continued illiterate. He became food producer from food gatherer. He assembled and made all things. He began to live in villages with his leaders. He started different occupations and barter system. He made different types of pottery, tools, weapons. ठीक है, which were well finished and furnished. Their pattern of life has changed, but they retain a number of their old habits and customs. The Bhils are good hunters with bows and arrows. A number of such tribes are still found in Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Assam, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. So, now it's time to workstation A. Take the correct answer. The word history comes from the ancient Greek word. This is histria. Coins and inscriptions are the source of history. Panchtantra is the collection of stories. Okay, Buddhist literature was written in Pali. The human appeared on the earth before 6 lakh BC. This is number 5 is D. This one. Early man became the food producer from food gatherer in early man Neolithic age. Early man in Paleolithic age made his tool of stone. Early man discovered metals in Chalcolithic age. So next question is fill in the blanks with the suitable words. History comes from the ancient Greek word what? Histria. Okay. Dash wrote the Arthashastra? Kautilya. Number 3. Historians have divided history into 3 periods. Okay. Harshcharita was written by Banbhatta. Okay. Paleolithic man was a food gatherer. Okay. Mesolithic age extends from 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. 10,000 BC to 8,000. ठीक है. Now number 7. The Neolithic age is also called New Stone Age. Okay. The Deccan was known as Dakshinapatha. Okay. Now next question is true false. History is the story of man's growth, evolution and development. Yes, true. Prehistory refers to the written record. No. बस वहाँ पे जो खुदाई में कुछ चीजें मिली है ना उनसे पता चलता है. BC is counting backwards like 100. BC comes from 99 BC. Yes, true. 4. Literature of Jainism was written in Pali language. False. 5. Paleolithic age man made every rough tools. Yes, true. Man settled his life in the Neolithic age. Yes, true. Man invented wheel in the Paleolithic age. False. Dravidians came from Japan. False. Answer the following question is short. What is history? Okay, history क्या है ना. जो हमारा अर्ली मैंस लाइफ है और उसके बाद जो मेडिवल लाइफ है वो हिस्ट्री है. जो जिनका कुछ रिटन में है, कुछ जो है केव्स में खुदाई में जो चीजें मिली हैं वो हिस्ट्री है. Who was Herodotus? What does BC refer? What does AD refer? What is Paleolithic age? What is Mesolithic age? What is the Neolithic age? So read carefully the chapter. Okay, so all answer is there. Okay, so all topics are covered in this chapter here. I hope you all are very well understand this chapter. Thank you.